3, 2.
A few days ago, I beat this tank in a rush, and I had to make it as simple as possible because I only had just 2 days until New Year. But I kept wondering if this was real life, would it actually survive? Well, there's only one way to find out. Today, I'm putting this tank through a 4-way real world condition test to see if it survives. Starting with the first one.
The pain I felt is paid for.
Tanks are powerful, but how can I tell if it's more powerful than this car or this one? Well, we already know a car that's more powerful than these two. And in my last video, I had sacrificed the battery, motor, and the receiver of this car to make this tank. But luckily, I had a second battery, and since the chassis was still intact, it was fixable and even faster than ever. This isn't going to be easy for the tank at all. I just made these carts. I'll be putting the weights on top, and I'll be measuring how much weight each of them can pull. This is the start. Here's the finish. Alright, let's get to it. This is 750 millimeters. So I'll start with my old RC car. Well, it's no longer RC because I actually removed the controller, but I added this kind of stuff so I can still turn it on. Alright, this is it, and that's the car. Tires are spinning and everything, but this wasn't moving at all. Okay. This is extra weight, and I hope this works. It's not pulling at all, it just stops. So let's try it to the tank. So I just place the tank in it, and it's time to try it out in 3, 2, 1. Well, that didn't work, so I'm going to add a little bit of weight. So let's try it again in 3, 2. Guys, it's the same result. It's not moving at all, so I guess this is the problem. So I'm going to try using something lighter. 2 little stones. Let's just progress from here. Alright, so it can actually pull these ones. Then how about to add a little weight to it, and it should also add a little weight to the tank so it has more grip to the ground. All the ladies hold up, hopping the riders around. Well, it actually pulled it. Now we just have to try with this other car. These are the way the tank pulled, and if it can pull all of this without struggling as much as the tank did, then that's the win for this car. Let's start with this one.
This is God given, not from blue tops like Mars Simpson, just hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the pan, watching the plane form in the sand, bidding castles out of thoughts in our head.
There was stress, but not too much. Now it's time for the third one.
Put the pants on ice. I was bad like Mike. Now I'm good like Kendrick said, boy.
I'm just going to go ahead and say that the tank has won this round for the pull test. It pulled an extra, which was this.
The pain I felt is paid for. All is said and done. Oh, I am restricted.
I haven't seen any video of a car crashing into a tank, but I've seen this, and if that's possible, then this is also possible.
I've got to see. Spend all my life holding all of it closely.
I'll be placing this side, and I have a tape here with me. I just need the first shot to land. I hope it survives. Let's get to it. Guys, this whole part is still okay, but you can feel the impact. There was something here, but it's gone. I can't believe it survived. It's just look at this. I thought it was just dust, but yeah, it survived. So the next test is going to be right under there. I'll just bury the stuff a little bit under the ground so it has more effect.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through face covered in ink and bleach.
Guys, it's survived. This is the damage from the impact. Like, can it take more? I believe it can take more. This wasn't part of the plan, but I'm going to add another shot. What if I place it inside here? I mean, what if the tank explodes inside the shell? Let's see. Now this is what we call a shredded tank. What? Oh, I mean, everything cardboard just left the chart, and it's still a tiny rupture here. Yeah, that was for the extra. Well, this survived. How did it survive that kind of impact? And it's still okay. Wow. Let's just see if it's still right, and if it does, then that is the biggest win for the day. That's my remote. So unfortunately, it still moves. So let's take it for a ride. Wow. It's going to be this way. I have my lighter with me, and I'm just going to light it up, and then we'll see how much damage it's going to cause to the tank's body.